it's a pretty nice, it's actually a very, very beautiful day out here in the Navajo Nation. And I'd much rather be on a motorcycle out here today enjoying this scenery, but sometimes we got some more important things to do. So I'm out here today in the shop truck and trailer, getting a bike out here for one of our awesome customers. And on days when I can't be out here riding my own adventure, it's awesome to know that I'm out here helping get a bike down here and get it dropped off so somebody else can ride their own adventure. So, still a great day, still some great scenery, and better than being stuck at a desk.